Hakarpundri Trigunai Lur ka Sengsan Perthai All India Trinamool Congress AITC kala sandur ya ka Kynhun Longkmie Mahila Trinamool Congress na kabenta ka jilla Barokawe. Latung President ya ka Selma di Shira ka Marak Vice President. Ka Merlin CH Marak bat ka Nurun Meraj Warjri General Secretaries. Kani ka Kynhun Longkmie ka don prangut ki dekhot jong ka Executive Committee. Ka kamram bat ka jing thmu jong kani ka Kynhun Longkmie jong ka Seng AITC kalong ban pet ya baro ki kam ki baya dei bat ka jingyaram jingyada jingin tiu ya ki Longkmie bat ki sama kenthai ha ka jella ha baro ki liang kalong briu man briu. Kani ka Kynhun kan tre borba la ka jong ka bor ban kring ya ki Longkmie bat ki khun sama kenthai ban kersha ni ki kertong jong ka Seng AITC ha baro ki constituency bagi penmi ban ya khun ha ka election ar phulai.
Being the President of Meghalaya Pradesh Trinamool Mahila Congress, I want to express my vision as follows. First, I will do the interaction and group discussion with the District Mahila Congress Committee and then block level Mahila Committee. First and foremost, vision is to uplift the living standard of the women in the state. Number two, at present, the security and safety of the woman and girl child is deteriorating day by day in the state. So, among the women, awareness has to be created. Give the political awareness to increase and improve their knowledge and wisdom in order to play the key role in political arena. Women are the pillar of the successful family and they can play the key role in the society as well. Therefore, the key role is of great importance in every aspect of life.